Mm. Hey, check it. Hey. Niggas like, homie, you sick. Look, I can't pay a doctor for bad news. And they like, how do you drip? I just fuck up your dosage with no rules. I don't pull triggers, I pull out and drip. And niggas speak dirty, I pull out your dick. Only time I'm looking down at my sevens when I'm trying to check the list of my kicks. Every time niggas looking out for me, this every second I be rolling a spliff. I guess I'm a king. Guess I'm a protege. Look, I don't do beef, nigga. This is a prototype, ayy. When I hit the dank, nigga, give me space. I roll it blind to range in the space. I could have been bragging about what I got on my table, nigga. All I got is some perks. Heard on the baddest rapper indicator, some bucket motherfuckers started to lurk. Sneaky bitches in my number for nothing and acting for money, bitch. I'm not a blaster, 20 years old and I'm broke, no cash, no coupe, no crib, not even a dresser, ayy. Look, ayy. If I get tripping, I don't really care. Cause long as she bringing the cash in my pimp, I'm speaking of part of my Fendi and whip. Told you I put my drip with the kicks, I can't blow no money, nigga. I'm blowing the smoke, nigga. Hey, hey, hey. Nigga be rapping and niggas be capping. I feel like it capping, I'm always in trifling. Niggas be claiming the heat, I'm bringing the water like Marcus Atelius. Premise, I'm eager when niggas said the baddest rappers, but I just said neither. And dripping in front of me, I might just sip it and live and you dry it out till you zip it. Man,